In today's video, I'm about to show you an amazing app that will help you maximize extra cash that you have been looking for. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the whole process and how to maximize your earning. If this is your first time of seeing my video, you're welcome. Here you'll find videos that will help you explore ways to make money online. And we basically talk about cryptocurrency updates, airdrop updates, and forex trading. If this is what you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. If you have any question, I will be there to answer you. And don't forget to share with your friends and family, hit the notification bell. So let's get started. Bison app is a new Telegram app. I want you to take advantage of this opportunity. Bison app is a layer 1 blockchain of cryptocurrency that allows a low latency blockchain transfer. So to participate in this community, you need a minimum of 1 SUI, which is about $4 to $5. Okay, so and here you will be earning 1% for 5 days, increasing by 0.5% every 5 days. Your maximum earning is 4% daily for 100 days. To get started, you need to have a Telegram app. The link for you to get started is in the comment section below. Click on it and it will land you to the Telegram bot. Then click on start or launch and you will be taken to your dashboard. You need to deposit a minimum of 1 SUI to get started. Right here, the net return of your investment is 1%. So it depends on your deposit. So let me walk you through on how you can make deposit. Now let's go to Bybit. You can use any cryptocurrency exchange. You can use Trust Wallet, you can use Bitget, Binance, or OKX, any of it, name it. So that's what you need. Any cryptocurrency exchange that you have that have SUI. So that is what you're going to use. So I'm going to convert it from USDT to SUI. Convert from USDT. So I'm going to search for SUI. So I'm typing SUI. This is SUI. Click on it, and then I have $5.7. So that's what I'm going to be typing in. And remember, I told you that to get started, you have to have a minimum of 1 SUI. So I'm using 1 SUI. Okay. I'm using 1 SUI for the purpose of this video, for me to guide you on how you can make a deposit. Okay. Then click on quote and click on confirm. So conversion completed. The next thing is go back to view your assets. Click on view assets, and you will see that I have 167066169 SUI. So go back to your dashboard and click on deposit. Click on deposit. This is the wallet address that you are going to be sending the money to. You copy it. Copy the wallet address. Go back to Bybit. Okay. So click on assets. Click on withdraw. And then you're going to search for crypto you want to use, which is SUI. Search it, and then remember the wallet address we copied. Click on it and paste it. So search for SUI. You are going to be charged 0.02 SUI. So click on withdraw. So when I was doing the withdrawal, I don't know, I wasn't recording it, so please pardon me, but just follow the instruction I gave you. So it will definitely work the same way. Just click on withdraw. Okay, and then you see that there's nothing in my account anymore. So we're going to go back to okay, Bybit has sent me a message. Okay, this was the message I received. So we are going to go back to the dashboard to check if it has reflected. Okay, so let's go to the dashboard right away. So it has not reflected, so we're going to click on this deposit again. So you click on this initialize stake. So after then, we're going to wait for some few seconds. Successful. So you can see it has reflected already. Okay, so this is how you make your deposit on SUI Bison. Okay, so within, I'm going to give you another video of my withdrawal proof. Okay guys, if you are interested in this, make sure you use the link in my comment section and then register and earn. As in fact, if you are sleeping every day, you are waking up collecting your money. Thanks for these videos. Watch out for my withdrawal proof. Okay, thanks.